So today we're going to do a walkthrough of our on-grid pre-wired solar and battery system. So first we're going to talk about our recommendation for an inverter. Then we will get on to the batteries. And third, we are going to talk about the options that you as a customer or an electrician have for the pre-wired system. So either a pre-wired hub or a custom power board. Our choice for an inverter in an on-grid solar and battery system has been the Day. The Day inverter charger is an all-in-one unit where you have the inverter, the solar controller, and a charger built into the one unit. Day has been around for about 18 years now. It can provide a blackout protection, and it can charge your batteries or have a generator backup in case of an emergency. Day also has an inbuilt Wi-Fi monitoring. That way you can take a look at your system, how it's performing during the day. Or if you have any questions and you want to troubleshoot something, you can always call us up and we can help troubleshoot for anything or help answer any questions that you might have. As far as it goes for batteries, we have access to all battery brands that are out there in the market. We have chosen to provide our customers with Pylontech. Pylontech have been independently rated as the best off-grid battery, but our customers say the same for their on-grid solar systems as well. Pylontech have been around for about 13 years now. They provide a life PL4 chemistry on their battery, which is very safe. They offer a 10-year warranty, and they actually have been around for longer than their warranty. Sometimes battery brands can come up with all different sorts of warranty claims, but if you look into their history, they haven't been around for the period that they're actually claiming to have these warranties, which is very important for on-grid and off-grid as well. Here at Commodore, we can pre-wire your system into one of our range of power hubs or one of our custom power boards. A power hub is an IP55 rated enclosure which can be installed inside or outside of your property. These units are usually temperature controlled and they house both the batteries and the inverter inside of it. We pre-wire, pre-test and pre-program the whole system here at Commodore. That way when it comes out on site, your electrician or one of ours can go straight into installing your solar and connecting that into your unit. Our smallest power shield size is the Power Shield Elite. This system can typically handle up to about 12 kilowatts of inverter power, whether this be single phase or three phase. It can handle up to 15 kilowatts of DC coupled solar, and it can handle up to 5 batteries, so 25 kilowatt hours of backup storage. So one of our designers will work with you to find the right inverter size and the right battery and solar size system to suit your needs. The Power Shield Elite has a temperature controlled with fans, or you can have an optional DC aircon like this one behind me, and this will keep your system running nice and cool for the hotter parts of the country. So our medium-sized Power Shield cabinet is the Power Shield XL. This can handle up to a 16 kilowatt inverter, whether that be single phase or three phase, coupled with about 20 kilowatts of solar, and it can handle up to 40 kilowatt hours of backup storage. Again, your designer will work with you to find the right size of the inverter and the backup storage and solar that you need. The difference between the Power Shield XL and the Elite is that on the XL, you have an already inbuilt DC aircon, which is important for the bigger size inverter and bigger size battery system. A larger size Power Shield is the Power Shield Commercial. This is very suitable for a large home or even a business. It can take up to a 36 kilowatt inverter, single phase or three phase, and it can also take up to 12 batteries, which is 60 kilowatt hours of backup storage. A more economical version of the Power Shield is a custom pre-wired board with battery cabinets. These systems house the same equipment, just in a different type of setup. But in a board, it's more economical and usually more suitable for an inside type setup. All power shield systems, whether it's in a custom board or on a pre-wired hub, they can all handle a backup generator as well. Backup generator is very important in case of an extended blackout. If you're experiencing an extended blackout and your batteries get low, your generator is there to automatically kick in and top them up when you need them. So here at Commodore, we've specialized in off-grid for the past 15 years. We've taken all our knowledge and experience and have put it into this on-grid hybrid solar solution. All of our systems qualify for the recent battery rebate and the existing solar rebate, so there's never been a better time to get a premium solution. So if this sounds like the right system for you, you can always reach out to us over the phone or through the website. We're always happy to help.